Here, Mom.
Wait a minute, I gotta shoot Riley first. Hang on.
Is raspberry
How about this one? Yeah.
Daddy, we won't have to eat fruit for dinner a night that we're in the tent. Daddy, we won't have to eat fruit for dinner the night that we're in the tent. Because before we're in the tent, we can pick all the raspberries.
Yeah, look at it. It's more here.
Try a raspberry. Isn't it good?
Mmm. Done?
And I am done.